Right, I promise this will be the final video for the jig. I've got a spare hour or so after work, so I'm just going to get the jig finished. I'll show you what I've been buying. Bought these castor wheels, got them on eBay. You know, I didn't get the nuts, I had to buy nuts. But the nuts I bought were the wrong size, but luckily I had a bag of nuts. So I've got these castor wheels, and 2 of them lock. So I've got 8 in total. I've also picked up some steel tubing. That's inch by inch. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to cross brace the feet, and I've also got another long length of this tubing that's going to go. It's going to go from the front of the jig right down to the back. While I was in the steel shop, I picked up some lighter box section. It might be too heavy, but that's just in case I need to brace the car up when I start cutting it to bits, replacing panels. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to quickly fit these castor wheels. I've already pre-drilled some of the holes. Well, I've drilled all the holes, I should say, in the feet, but now I just need to ream them, open them up with a bigger drill bit. This leg here is already complete. That's just ready to accept the castor wheels and the bracing. So what we'll do is we'll quickly do the rest of them and get this thing finished once and for all.
But she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:35. The moonlight wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melody. He turned to me as if to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more can ever do. I bet some brains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had.
Right, that's all the holes drilled in the legs. The wife just gave me a shout to say that that's done already. All that needs to be done now is weld the 3 bracer bars in, and that'll be us. So I'll catch you in a second. How am I looking? Right, that's me back from having my tea. What I've done in the meantime is I've set up the welding equipment, so that's ready to go, and I'll get this first crossbar welded in. Right, I think we can now safely say that the jig project is complete. I run out of, I can't say videotape because we don't have videotape anymore. I ran out of memory card, and obviously I missed the painting, top coat painting on the jig supports. But anyway, that's it all complete now. I've given it a coat of black gloss just to match the frame and also help protect it. So I think that looks kind of neat. The welding might not be very neat if we go and have a look, but hopefully that will improve as the project goes on. I'll have to. But the castor wheels, they're an absolute treat. Absolute brilliance. You know, I'm really glad that I decided to go down that route, because the jig and the car will now move about very easily, and I'll even be able to wheel the car outside and do work on it outside. Like dirty work and all that rubbish, and try and keep the garage clean. Right, just to finally close this video, I'd like to firstly thank Delman 1275 Simon for dropping me a message regarding putting the bracing bars on the jig. Delman 1275, he's got the same jig as me, and he put castor wheels on it, and he was telling me that when he put his castor wheels on, his legs were, or the feet on the castor wheels were falling to the side, and to brace it. So thanks Simon, thanks for giving me the tip on that, because if you hadn't given me the tip I probably wouldn't have given it a thought, you know, and bought the castor wheels and put them on, and then had the same problem as you. So thanks Simon, I really appreciate that, buddy. Also for everybody else that's sent in comments regarding the jig, I do appreciate it, and I do read all your comments, and I do try and reply to them all. I can't remember if I've given Mini Matt TV a shout or not, but if not, how you doing, Matt? Your project's looking good, but you need to upload some more videos, buddy, because I'm getting bored. Also Mark Piper, new guy with a Mini, he's putting hydraulics in it. He's doing an absolutely fantastic job on his car. It's different, I must say. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that. George Knapp, he's another new guy on the block, doing these Mini, or making videos anyway, and putting it up on YouTube. Your project looks good as well, George, so I'm looking forward to watching that. You know, it's good to see more guys coming out there and making videos as well, you know, so that we've got a good variety of videos to watch. Also Jaguar Dave, how you doing, Dave? You know, your car's really looking good now. It's really coming together. I look forward to watching your videos every time they appear. You know, that car's going to be really, really nice when it's finished. it's more or less finished anyway, but it's going to be really, really nice. And finally, I'd like to say hiya to my wee pal down south, Henry. Henry and I chat in Mini too, in modern Mini forums, because I do have modern Minis as well. And I'd just like to say hi to Henry. So if you're watching this, Henry, how you doing, buddy? Anyway guys, that's it for tonight and for today. So I think we'll call it a day at that. And once again, thanks for watching.